peppermint candy burns.
It burns, yeah, it does.
It's already almost 6 o'clock. We have not vlogged at all today.
We had a lot of fun.
But we have, yes.
We had a lot of fun. Yes. This was a good day off to relax.
Yeah. Ernie's friends were having a Zoom call meeting. And then I also became included and we were
She's
there
actually,
for hours.
she's more popular among my colleagues and work friends and friends than I am. And the reason why is because she's so awesome. They know so much about her. They respect her so highly. They truly, I really am blessed to have such awesome work friends, such an awesome wife, such awesome parents. You know, my mom, my dad. You know, you guys know the story. But I'm gonna say, it's her. Where are you, babe? There you are.
I'm up here.
It's her. She is so awesome all the time. Like, you could put her into a room with people and she will unite them under a common cause and be playing games with them and laughing and making them laugh, and it's amazing. I'm so grateful for her. I'm so grateful for this channel. I'm so grateful for all the work you've done. I'm just so grateful for everything because you're absolutely amazing. And we were so just floored, playing, laughing, and having a great time. I may or may not win this gingerbread challenge. Thank you for all the hashtag Team Bald. I really appreciate it, really, truly. With all my heart, I do.
Tell them the truth about what we both said yesterday at the same time.
We both actually said yesterday the exact thing.
We counted down.
On to 3, we said 1, 2, 3. We'll have it together. We'll eat it together. We're gonna do it together.
Because no matter what, I was going to eat the gingerbread house if Ernie lost, and
yep. And no matter what, I was gonna eat the gingerbread house if my wife here, my beautiful, perfect Ziya, had lost.
Of course, we appreciate all your votes, and those are gonna be for bragging rights.
Oh yeah, those are totally bragging right votes, and thank you again.
Yes.
And even if I don't win, I'm still gonna, you know, I'm taking it to court.
What?
And my plan is, I will hold out until the very last day when Mr. Orange has to come over to me and tell me, hey, you didn't win, man. I'm gonna hold it in court, and I'm gonna keep suing the pants off these people. I don't know who I'm suing, but I'm gonna sue the pants off them.
You're costing the taxpayers a lot of money by doing that, you know that?
I may be.
The country is already in debt.
But it's for a good cause. Me. That candy was meant for decorating, not eating. It is...
These gingerbread houses are not edible.
Oh no. Let's see the magic happening in action here. Damn. And you got nice Sears on it?
The Sears is gone forever. They went bankrupt.
Too soon. What's in this pot?
This is the hardest thing to make.
Oh my god.
Extremely difficult.
Is it like...
It takes so much time.
This is an Italian nightmare to make.
Yes.
It is like the quintessential.
Yeah. And it's basically like an Italian grandmother's secret. It's salted water.
Gasp!
That has not started boiling yet.
Oh my god.
We gotta let that do its thing.
What do you actually put into your hamburger to make it so fluffy? Like me, fluffy. So tell me. Tell us. Because when I bite into it, I don't just get like a bite of meat. I get a bite of heaven.
Aw, thank you.
Thank you.
actually, what's the date? The 21st. And you're watching this on the same day that it's happening. Ha, but just at a later time. So right now it's 11:52. The voting ended half an hour ago, but the last time I saw the voting results was at 10:57, and then I forgot to go and take the screenshots of the stories and everything, and that is very disappointing. But the last Ernie and I saw, the score was 21 me, 16 Ernie on Instagram. And now it's time to count up the comment votes. Jennifer Escobedo votes for Team Bald. CRS Benningfield says, you both did a good job, 50-50, so Ernie and I both get a point. Ziya voted for Ernie. Beth gave us a tie, so that's another. This is really close, you guys. Still very, very close. Amanda Lynn votes for me. Desi 1790 votes for Ernie. Grinspoon Girl 31 votes for me. Nancy M voted for me. Antonietta, Ernie. B Garza, Team Bald. Wendy and Vic, Team Bald. Right now it's 26-24. Ooh. Lena Snow votes for moi. Candy Toki V votes for both of us. Melinda Padayachi, I don't know if I said that right. I'm sorry if it's wrong. But she voted for Ernie. Paula votes for Team Bald. Shubnam, I know Shubnam voted for Ernie. Lee says it's a tie. And Vince Magallanes says Ernie wins the decorating contest, but I win because my sweater. Count all of these up. So, I've got 1, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. 29 votes. Ernie, he would be in here, but he's in the bathroom. He's got 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Oh my gosh! Are you done in the bathroom now?
A happy holidays. Yes, I am. Thank you.
I counted the votes.
I did too. I logged on and I went on to YouTube.
You're a liar.
And I went through all the comments on the video to calculate how many votes. And I found out, based on those numbers, that you have won.
No, you're lying to me.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
No.
Yes, you are.
I'm not.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
I went through every single one. Every single one.
Yes.
And I won by a landslide. I'm kidding. You won by 1 point. You won by 1 point.
It was a fair
1
put it there.
point.
Da 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 da.
All right, time to eat my house.
Babe,
I gotta go get the house.
I know. We will eat it together at the coffee table.
Let's go.
It's time.
My roof. That got me the majority of my votes.
Oh, look, you're gonna make a skylight.
Yep, we're making a skylight. Oh, look, oh my trees. There you go. Trees are falling off.
Oh, oh, the humanity.
This is going to be torture. Oh, there we go.
Look what you did.
There we go. Oh.
Hey, but be careful. Don't get on my house, okay?
No, I lost. You won. Stop it. Stop.
It definitely doesn't taste good.
I'm glad I put M&Ms on it.
It's just a little bit of chocolate. Nope. Nope. You lost the M&Ms. Oh.
It's disgusting. Oh, so bad.
It's okay. Her house is sweet, like her.
I'm glad I put chocolate all over it.
Yeah, me too. It was structurally sound.
No! 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 Your house is too pretty.
No, it's not.
Yes!
We were tied. It's within 1 vote, which means it's an automatic recount if we're in certain states. In this state, it's an automatic recount because we are within 1 vote. And I believe there may have been fraud.
Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. You leave it alone. It came out so pretty.
What are we gonna do with it?
Keep it
No!
forever.
No! We're doing
Pass
this
it down to our
together.
grandchildren.
Babe, do you know the value of this house?
It's a 1-bedroom in the Bay Area, so
It's easily $1 million.
yeah.
But I'm willing to throw all that away so that we can have this together.
Eat out me my house here.
Oh, have some house.
Have some house. Have some roof.
All right, back.
Where are you going?
We're gonna Tanya Harding this.
No!
Now, we're even. Look, my house. It tasted pretty good.
It looked so nice.
We have plenty of pictures of it. Yours looked perfect. And you destroyed it. So we could eat it. Now look at mine. Mine's serving as a little basket for all the pieces of my roof.
And the icing tastes so horrible.
Is it weird that I kind of like it?
Yeah.
Life is full of decisions. Whatever decision you make, good or bad, it lives with you. My decision to break my roof and my house was one of my best decisions. These gingerbreads are terrible. I mean, just get some on my roof here. Okay? Oh, God. Oh! Oh!
And the walls are still standing.
And the walls are still standing!
You know what? I actually like the gummy bears. Let's break off one of my trees here. What is this flavor supposed to be?
Peppermint. You always hear people say, oh, I built a gingerbread house. I decorated one, I built one, I made one, I baked one. You didn't hear them say they ate it.
Nobody eats this! The peppermint candy burns.
It burns, yeah, it does.
Even though I'm the one who actually lost, according to votes. Bernie and I have both eaten
By one.
our houses. So it's a very close race. You lied and cheated and admitting to having Russian spies and hackers and brought in items that were not part of regulation stuffs you were still voted for.
This would be a great time to just point out, yes, there is a major problem in our voting system. I really appreciate the votes. I truly do. Thank you. Hashtag Team Bald forever, for life. Thank you. Don't think this is over. The reindeer. It's a grudge match.
When do you want to do the reindeer?
Whenever you want. Bragging rights.
Christmas?
Maybe. New Year's?
We'll see.
Why don't you guys let us know? When would you guys like to see the reindeer? I'm gonna have multicolored vomit after this.
Thank you guys so much for watching and for voting. And although I did lose, I do so with dignity and grace. No, thank you. Absolutely do not want that. Do not give me any more of your house that beat my house out. How could you do this to me?
I'm so sorry.
This is where we're going to end this vlog. I know we haven't done the advent calendar today, but you know what? Tomorrow you guys will just see us open twice as many. See you guys tomorrow. Hope you guys are staying safe and healthy. Do not eat a whole gingerbread house on your own.
No.
I
Please
highly
don't.
do not recommend it.
I don't either.
I'll see you guys in the next one.